students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Let us learn a new and very interesting topic today in maths of standard second, and the name of the topic is addition and subtraction of zero. Yes, dear children, you know what is the meaning of addition and you also know what is the meaning of subtraction, right? Now, this is addition, otherwise we say plus, isn't it? We use this symbol when we are going to make addition or we are going to take the total of the things. Right? And this is minus, correct? Or it is called as subtraction sign, right? Today we are going to do addition and subtraction of 0. This is 0, right? 0 means nothing, correct? Okay, let us move to our topic. Addition of 0. First we will go through the addition of 0, means making total. Okay, here you can see two baskets, right? In first basket we can see apples. Let us count these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In first basket there are 6 apples. And in the second basket there are none. We cannot see any apples here, right? Okay, here addition of 0. So let us add the apples from both the baskets and let us know what is the total. Okay, so I will put here plus mark and here equal to. Before that, we will write the number of apples in the first basket, that is 6. Plus, how many apples can you see here in the second basket? 0, correct? Means no apples. So, let us write 0 here. Now, dear children, what is the answer for this? 6 apples plus 0 apples is equal to, yes, very good, 6 apples. So let us keep the basket of 6 apples here, right? Got this, children? Same thing we will write in sentence: 6 apples in one basket, none in the other, so only 6 apples in all. Am I right? Yes. We will go through some more examples to make the concept clear. Here a boy, you can say him as Yash. Okay. Now there is a basket in front of Yash. Again it is empty, means no apple we can see here. Right? Okay, so we will make a table and we will write 0 here, means no apple in the basket. Okay, now let us observe what the Yash do. Okay, basket is empty, so we have written 0 here. Now Yash is putting apples in the basket. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yash kept 6 apples in the basket, right? Okay, so now the basket has 6 apples. Earlier there was no apple. Now he kept 6 apples in the basket. So 0 plus 6 is equal to how much? Yes. Now we can see 6 apples in the basket. So our answer is 6. Here we can write, now basket has 6 apples. Isn't it? Now dear children, observe this. 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Right? Now here you can see laddus on the tray. And this tray is empty. No laddus, nothing is there on the tray. Correct? Now let us try to add the laddus from both the trays. Okay? Now see here. Laddus plus how many? 0. Isn't it? That is equal to how much? Yes? You know now. You know the answer, correct? 5 laddus plus 0 laddus is equal to, yes, total is again same thing, that is 5 laddus on the tray, right? Okay, same thing we will use numbers and will write. This is 5 laddus plus 0 laddus is equal to 5. Correct? 5 laddus in one tray, none in the other, only 5 laddus in all. Got this, children? Means whenever we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Correct? Here you can see Meena and a tray which is empty, isn't it? Okay, now here tray is empty. So we will make a table and we will write 0 here. You know what is the meaning of 0, right? Nothing, correct? 0. Now let us see what Meena is going to do. Okay, Meena is keeping laddus on the tray. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Meena kept 5 laddus in the tray. Yes, so let us write 5 here because earlier there was no laddu, right? So 0. Now we can see 5 laddus on the tray. So we have written 5 here. Now what is the answer for this? 0 plus 5 is equal to, yes, how many laddus you can see on the tray? 5. Correct? So altogether there are 5 laddus in the tray. Right? Okay. Here also see 0 plus 5. We got again the same number, that is 5. Here we have changed the places of 0 and 5. 5 plus 0 is also 5 and 0 plus 5 is also 5. Right? Here you can see Rita sitting in front of a plate or a dish, bamboo dish. Okay? Now, dish is empty. Anything you can see on the dish? Yes? No. Correct? Okay. Now we will make a table and we will write 0 here. Now, she kept flowers in the dish. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will write here, Rita kept 4 flowers in the bamboo plate or dish. Correct? Now, here we will write 4. 0 plus 4 is equal to how much? 4, because we can see only 4 flowers here. Right? So our answer is, now dish has 4 flowers. Got this, children? Here also same thing. 0 plus 4. Again that same number, that is nothing but 4. Right? Next. Here we can write like this. If 0 is added to any number, we get the same number again. Right? 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. 25 plus 0 is equal to 25. Or you can take a big number like 99 plus 0 is equal to 99. Or any big number you can take. When we add 0 to that number, we get the same number again as the answer. Okay? This is fixed. You must remember this. Okay? See here. Rita has 4 flowers. She gave 0 flower to Meena. See, these are Rita's flowers. You know that Rita has 4 flowers. She gave 0 flower to Meena. See, in Meena's basket nothing is there because Rita didn't give any flower to Meena. Or you can say Rita gave 0 flower to Meena. Yes, come on. Tell me how many flowers are there with Rita now? 4. Very good. Because she gave 0 flower to Meena. Isn't it? We will write this in numbers. These are 4 flowers minus 0. Correct? Because she gave 0 flower to Meena. Come on. Tell me the answer for this. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Very good. Because you can see here 4 flowers in the basket or dish. Okay? Bamboo plate. Right? Okay. Same thing we will write. Now Rita has 4 flowers left with her. Got this, children? Now we have moved to subtraction process or subtraction method. 4 minus 0, we got 4. Here you can see Ankita along with her toys, soft toys. How many toys she has? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Isn't it? So let us make a table and we'll write Ankita has 4 toys. Correct? Now you can see here Asmita, her friend. Yes? Now Ankita gave 0 toys to Asmita because you love toys. You don't want to give your toys to your friend. Isn't it? Like that only. Ankita doesn't want to give any toy to Asmita. Right? Means Ankita gave 0 toys to Asmita. So let us write here 0. Now dear children, tell me how many toys left with Ankita? Yes? Very good. 4 toys left with Ankita. Here in the numbers 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Here also when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number as the answer. What this? Okay. Now here we can write like this. We get the same number when we subtract 0 from any number. 100 minus 0 is equal to 100. 85 minus 0 is equal to 85. For this, children, we get the same number as the answer, from which we subtract 0. Okay? Now write proper answers. Now I hope you understood the topic clearly. Right? Now if it is yes, then you will give the proper answers to our sums. See here, 0 plus 56, 67 minus 0. 0 plus 70, 89 minus 0. Okay, now we will move to the first one. 0 plus 56. Yes, what is the answer? Very good, 56. Nice, because when we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Correct? Here, 67 minus 0. Yes, answer is very good, 67. Means when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. Next, 0 plus 70. Yes, nice. The answer is 70. 89 minus 0 means again the answer is 89. The same number. Correct? Some more are there. 5 plus 0. 25 minus 0. 23 plus 0. 78 minus 0. Okay, let us move to the first one. You see, very simple. 5 plus 0 is 5. Very good. 25 minus 0 is 25. Very nice. 23 plus 0. We have not added anything here. 0 means nothing, right? Nothing is there. So, 23 plus 0 is equal to 23. 78 minus 0, that is equal to 78. Very nice. Now, dear children, this is the sentence. That is what we have learned today. If 0 is added to any number, we get the same number again. We get the same result when we subtract 0, right? Means by addition or by subtraction, no changes will occur. When we add or when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number, right? Write the proper number in each empty box. This is homework for you. Okay, see here some sums are there. You have to carry out these sums and try to write these sums on your notebook and write the answers in the boxes. And then show it to your parents or to your teacher. Okay? I hope you will do this, right? Thank you, dear children. Children, please go through your textbook. There are so many sums on this concept. Okay? Complete that. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.